Van Buren, camp isn't just a trip, it's a milestone. For our fifth graders, it's a chance to grow, connect, and create memories that last a lifetime. It's where lessons stretch beyond the classroom, where kids discover courage, teamwork, and the excitement of new challenges. For over 20 years, camp has been a cornerstone experience for our students, made possible by the pride and support of Van Buren. When you give, you're not just helping send a child to camp. You are investing in the heart of Van Buren. You are ensuring every student carries home memories, lessons, and friendships that last a lifetime. This is what makes Van Buren special. Let's continue the legacy together.